Welcome to the show how to change your icon shape into your HUAWEI MatePad SE. First of all, open your HUAWEI gallery and find in search X icon changer application. This one. Need downloading and installing. I'm already installed this, so tap open. Now need close ads maybe a few times. Okay, it's safe. Close automatically. So now from our apps library, choose something what you wanna customize, maybe settings will be nice. Now from the list of our icon, choose some free icons here, maybe here something, this one, or this one, okay. And now for saving, tap OK button in the top right corner and wait a second for generating new icon. Then need close ads. Again, tap add, we got success message, go to our home screen, and here we got our new settings icon. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.